Okay. So what same again I should have one new info set and then use the info set and create my data source. See, generally when you go with database view, are we combining joining tables? But there the default join is inner join. Let's say I have a different requirement. I want to join with left order join. Yeah, and I would like to do some lots of logics. I would like to join output of a program with my table. Like I have got complex definition like this. Then we can go with info set queries. Okay. So, but I'll try to do the same thing, but with different join now. Look at this. What I'll do. We use a T code SQ02 to create info set. Just give some name. That's my info set name and say what? Create. Now look at this. Using info set, you can use either table joins or direct read of a table, logical database, data from a what? For program also can be utilized. No, I am not using that. I am saying direct read from a table. Which table you want to read from? I would say VBAC table. Say OK. It says what happens is in info set you create something called field groups. Okay. But I am saying include all table in the field group or key fields. I will say what? Let me say what? Create empty. Don't put anything. Let me put manually. This is field group. This is a table with all the fields what we have in the table, and this is your full group. Means what are the fields you specify in this group? Those are the output of my info set. Now I don't want only VBAC. I would like to include another table called, let's say, VBUK also. Now what do you do? Say well, click on the button. What is this here? Join definition. This is one table and insert one more table. Okay. What is the table you want? VBUK. Now this is join. Now for example, if I want to set this, can I make this? Can I make it left order join? But in the database view, it is only what? Inner join by default. I can change my joins or just say okay back. I can do like this here. And I also have option of using alias tables where I can have same table multiple times. Yeah. Basically, when you want to do some complex modeling, we use this info sets here. Now that's fine. I want these two. Drag and drop what all you want. That's it. So this will be output of your say what generate. This is creating info set. Done. Info set is ready. Was now I'll create data source on info set. This is my info set name and say what? Sorry. So when I want to go with info set, then you should click on the button what? Extract from query, specify your info set. It says some text fields comes up. Okay. So does it formulate this extract structure automatically now? Same for table view info set, it forms extract structure automatically, but it brings in some text fields. If you don't want, you can hide them out. Does it enable delta? No, still we have not yet enabled. And said save. That's it. Data source ready. Now can I test this data source in what? RSA3. Okay. (9248). Why not 5? There I had a condition of sales are 1,000, but here I didn't have any condition. If you scroll down, you'll have display LV grid list. And you can start seeing all this data. Clear this? Okay. This is with InfoSec.